In Azam City, you're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Ganyan na ito dito. Mangulo sa aral sa mga sa susunod sa report namin. Ginoon ganito. Amalan mo ganito na nagpasalamat kami ko sa bigay sa panahon ng mundo tayo. Panahon ng disco tayo sa kalamuan sa Usamin City. Ginoo ba rin kami nanunay at aming thinking para isutan ang karoon hindi mo kayo may desisyon para mas mapalamuan ako ang pinanong sila. Yung tanang Ginoo na ngayon, pinanong Kristo ng Ginoo. Amen.
Bayang mag-ilaw, bayang mag-ilaw, verso sinabanan, alaw ng puso, sa limo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan na ng mahiti, sa manulupi, di ka pasisili, sa dalang mundo, sa simo'y langit kong buka ay dalang tula, awit sa pagay niya mahal, awit sa bawat tao, niya'y kapupay na nandinig, ang tituloy na tao, niyang kailan pagay mag-iinig, lupa na araw ng buhay, ipasita, buhay langit sa piling mo, ang ligaya.
Good afternoon, hindi ako ang City Leader at Chairperson of this council. Allow me to greet each one of you in this council. And may I request our secretary for the roll call.
Okay, good afternoon for all those members. For today's meeting, these are the present, our Vice Mayor, Secretary Lenin, Honorable Attorney Marcelian C. Tamayan, Mr. Angel J. Pedra, Dr. Maria Flori D. Romero, Royland E. Gunaco, represented by represented from the City Engineer's Office, Ms. Milani Cipres, Ms. A.C. Zach Laver Hope Iman, Evelyn Omelda, Paquito Gazal Senior, Mrs. Anis Marine Carino, Mr. Samuel Cristota, Ms. Limpa Arlago, represented by Roland M. Agustin, P.A.M.S. Sabarios, Police Lieutenant Roger N. Andoy, F. Police Chief Inspector Carmen Lito Villagionela, Jail Inspector in Abuton, Coast Guard P1 Brian Bell Sidando, PEMS Nilias, our city administrator, Attorney Sam Norman J. Fuentes. Okay, out of 26 members of the city RRMC, we have We have 19 present, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Considering that we have perfect,
19, 19.
we have the city manager as a person of this council and of this council to good afternoon once again. Thank you for your gentle presence in this introduction to this council meeting, wherein we have to delve on 3 issues, two agenda. First is the realignment and reversion of 2024 of CDRRM funds, and the second is the proposed activities in line with the National Disaster Assistance Month of July 2024 at Congress to be held. To start with, for the realignment and reversion of the 2024 of CDRRM funds, we have replaced our focal person, Mr. Rico, to this particular item.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Ngayong hapon sa tanan. There's a proposal that for the request or request that for the realignment of the version of 611,289 pesos for funding the community-based monitoring systems is the CDMS. Ang amount is 611,289 pesos. Also, for the requirement also of 5 million pesos for the procurement of disaster equipment, both heavy and light. Another item that is requested for realignment of funds is the 6,088,710 pesos for construction of emergency operations center building. Another item requested for realignment or allocation of funds is the procurement of information and communication technology equipment or CCTVs. This is in addition also to the existing capacity in terms of monitoring the city for potential disasters. And another item is the construction or repair or improvement of emergency operations center, health centers, and evacuation centers in the amount of 9,700,000 pesos. Madam Chair, these are the items that need to be approved by the Council and proposed for approval. So that amount.
Thank you, Mr. Bongko. And we would appreciate it very much if we can have them for dinner to so that the member of this council can also scrutinize what you are talking about. Yes.
Madam Chair, it's unfortunate that our technical people has removed their so anyway, we have copies given to the members.
So you have distributed copies of your requests?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can I have copy also?
I think Honorable Tatayan also has.
Okay. Yes. Maybe acknowledge our role. Sila na tayo.
No, sir. We are aware that we have a budget, current budget for our CCTV equipment of 7.5 million. But there's a development board given that we need to augment this budget by 2 million, thereby increasing the budget from 7.5 to 9.5 million. So we need to appropriate 2 million for CCTV equipment. Aside from that, we need to make a new budget for a new plan. While we consider our budget, we have a budget for the construction of emergency oxygen building of 6 million plus. We need to appropriate also for the repair program of health centers and education center, because there is a memorandum of the FG memorandum number 1 to 2018, that's August 2018, that we need to strengthen our education systems. So we need to repair, improve our education center in our city. And we need the amount of 9,700,000. The total amount that we need is 3,700,000. And we have to revert certain budget amount from certain accounts. So we take this required appraisal of 3,700,000 from the account of community-based project system in amount of 611,000, 20 times of this, tapos bakit para marang up ang total amount. And then other account from procurement of sales equipment and heavy type will allocate revert 5 million. Another account, the construction of emergency center building, 6 million total amount, 6,080,000. 760 tapos, full amount will be reverted to a new plan, which includes also construction of repair and improvement of emergency centers as well as health centers and education centers. So with that, I move to realign the amount of 2 million for CCTV equipment and 9 million for 9,000 for construction, repair, and improvement of emergency centers or education centers. We take it from the account of the community system of 630,000 2019 tapos an account procurement of disaster equipment given life 5 million and from account construction of emergency officer center building 6 million 80,000 70,000 %.
Okay. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Honorable Tatayan. The Honorable Provider presented to us the accounts and amounts that has to be reverted. Is there any comment or remarks? Or some comments of clarification? Okay, Mr. Blanco.
Madam Chair, may I put this sa kanya because the first my presentation was that there was with the medyo gamay kapag ako sa document because the first three items actually were the budget items that were approved ganahan i-kuha ni siya, i-realize. No, the next three items that I mentioned, which was further clarified by Attorney Mark Sapaya. Thank you very much, Attorney. No, na-klaro ko siya. So, ito, Madam Chair, no, nga doon natin mga existing approved, no, mga budgetary items na ito ang gamitin ng funds to fund for another for projects which we see and we deem as mas pressing of pressing importance na kinahanglan budgetan siya. Like for example, kaning CBNS, no? Nakita nato mas priority ang atong CCTV, no? Monitoring sa atong syudad. Labi na kaya mga major activities plus kaning atoang itabok karon sa atoang climate, no? Sa atong weather conditions. So we need more CCTVs. That's why ato ang i-realign, no, ang budget for CCTVs and we go for the procurement of additional CCTV equipment, ICT. As well as the realignment of 5 million pesos for the procurement of heavy equipment, no? So ito ang nasa i-realign for the construction and repair and improvement of emergency operations center, the health centers and evacuation centers. So, Madam Chair, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Mokpo. Any other ways for some ways of clarification regarding the proposed realignment as we presented by our Ryan? Ito naman mga yes, Mr. Villa.
With the explanation of, thank you Madam Chair, with the explanation of Sir Guapo and Attorney Marsapay, I think there is an urgent need to realign and divert such funds. Therefore, with the pending motion of Attorney Marsapay, I second the motion.
How much is the total amount to be reverted? 11,000. So 11 million. 11 million. 11 million. Yes.
Baru saya lakukan 11 million 7,000. 2 million obligations sa CCTV camera na matay by 7.5. Ano lang 2 million. Dan inyong plan na 90 million 7,000. Construction ka po sa emergency center, health center, repair and improvement, o repair and improvement sa emergency center. Kaya to comply sa BIG Memorandum to extend our evacuation center from the center.
Thank you. Is that clear to everybody? Wala naman mga kapatana regarding the amounts to be reverted? Okay. Hearing up this motion for the approval of the proposed realignment and reversion of funds. Motion. Move na niyo.
I already seconded the motion.
Okay. It has been duly moved by the Tapayan and duly seconded by Officer Motion. Next item is the proposed activities in line with the National Disaster Analysis Month for the month of July 2024.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the information of everyone, we will be celebrating the Disaster Resilience Month next month, July. Also, together with the Nutrition Month celebration. So, this is just a proposal, no? Because we are very grateful, no, that our action towards realizing that the equipment of for the capacity of the CDRMC be augmented. So, nainabot sa ito ang additional rescue equipment. Doon na tayo rubber boat o itong mga additional equipment sa dunya na tayo mga life jackets. Mostly for water search and rescue. No? So that I propose to the Chair that it would be best, no, mas memorable ang pag-celebrate sa Disaster Resilience Month kung ito ni siya yung mga nag-ceremony nga sa pag-turnover sa mga equipment. It's siguro ito lang po kanang during flag ceremony para kita po sa atong mga kauban sa LGU na po ang mga bagong mga equipment.
Ilan na kayo units?
Isa ka rubber boat, Madam Chair, plus itong mga accessories niya. Napoy ko chainsaw na ladder.
You're going to proceed that to the next.
Yes, Madam Chair. Kuha na siguro kung siya katulad na gagmay-gagmay na pwede na itong ma-display. No? Okay, mula ka goals. After sa flag ceremony, i-display lang ito ng mulaan, Madam Chair.
That would be July 1.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Mr. Vidra. Ang tawagan is ceremonial turnover, Madam Chair.
Ceremonial turnover. That would be on July 1. Okay. On July 1, there will be a turnover.
Next Monday, no problem Monday.
Presentation of equipments being required.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay. That will be on July 1.
July, yes.
First Monday. First Monday, July 1. Okay. Any comment or remarks regarding the presentation of Mr. Blanco? Ito may mga pumunta na. For some words of clarification. Okay. Noted na.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair. Salamat sa also, in as much as you have this new equipment for water search and rescue, we also plan to have a training for water search and rescue in July, as well as fire safety training, coastal cleanup, community flood drills in selected barangays because of the balita na nato na Basinong La Nina. So we plan to have this flood drill with flood-prone barangays like Maningkol, San Antonio, Barangay Kano. And also, coordination and drill with the private institutions as well as schools. Madam, hindi plano Madam Chair na series of activities for disaster resilience month come July. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Blanco. Ito na may mga pagkatala. Yes, sir. Right.
I'd like to request that if it would be okay for the CDRR to produce copy of the activities and give those copies to each and every members of the CDRRC for us to be aware of all the activities within the month of July. That we, yes.
For the whole month of July, calendar of activities for the whole month of
There are
July.
activities.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Yes, circulate nga. But of course, we have to have it approved muna sa consider si Council Chairman and Honorable Mayor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Any other suggestion or some comments? Yes.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Chair, and to all the members. Sir, ma'am, I humbly suggest ICS training at this level 1, so that we can utilize the equipment and resources to training that we will be conducting at all personal sa para unify at all command and then ma-execute at all plans and programs.
Thank you. Can you take note of that, Mr. Secretary? The manifestation, sir. Thank you for your suggestion. We appreciate it very much. Para doon tayo concerted effort to combat any disasters in particular that may occur. Kasi doon natin. Thank you so much, sir, for your appreciation. Please coordinate with Mr. Blanco para makusa ang ato ang mga kuan. if ever, it would be better if you can also conduct seminars or symposium for the different schools. Program natin na different schools for some other entities that needs for this information. Isa pa yung mga suggestion from your end, Mr. Blanco?
I would just like to add something to the answer about ICS. We have earlier consulted with the Office of Civil Defense regarding schedules for trainings on ICS. ICS for executives, it's one day isa na sa kadlaw. I've been a council ng mga key officials sa city. Unlike sa formal na ICS training, it will take 5 days. But then, noted na sir, we consulted with OCD regarding schedules. Unfortunately, ang Office of Civil Defense, grabe nakakuha nila. But then, we'll try to have it, siguro sir, mga third quarter. So, ayan, maka-lihok kita. Sa Catholic Executive Course sa ICS.
Can it not or your proposed activities to be approved with the President Mayor?
Yes, Madam Chair. Mr. Petras just requested that.
Sir,
We will also request from the DILG. So, lihat mo, sir.
Okay. So, thank you tayo. Then, mas may siguro na we have to create a core group. Mr. Blanco, Sir Rita, and one from the military, no? And then, you present your proposals and then to be approved with the President Mayor. Okay?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you. So you have your assignment. Any other suggestion?
Okay, Madam Chair.
Yes, Mike.
I move for the approval of the proposed activities that I have just mentioned.
Oh, yeah. There is a motion to approve the proposed activities in line with the National Disasters and Consciousness Month for the month of July as being manifested by Mr. Blanco and duly seconded by Express. What other matters? Any other matters that you would like to share? We heard from the gentleman at the back, being in uniform. This is, I know this is your 40th disaster. Do you have any suggestion? Hearing that, may I also recognize the Honorable Tabayan for the other comments?
Yes, Honorable Sir, I guess there are no more other matters to be taken up. And at 5 o'clock, we have a citizen meeting, City Room Council, sorry, 5 o'clock. So if there's no other relevant and material information that my colleagues will wish to report before this was body, I therefore move to adjourn this meeting of DRNC, Honorable Sir.
Okay, the Gonzales City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council is now adjourned. Let's come to another meeting.
One TV special report.